direction of the FBI played a far larger role than was previously reported. Working in secret, they did more than just Wrangler 2. You want to make sure that the side with this gap is facing the middle, because that's where you want to tuck backrest, right in between the separation between your backrest and bottom cushion. Also, there will be white strings. You can tuck in there too, or you can have it go around the car. You want to pull this all the way because you might break the seam. You want to grab where you want to maneuver it on all three of them, and just don't use too much. There's a layer back to deploy in case of an accident, and it does have a storage area on the back of the seat for each seat, and there is also a side.
Symptoms. If your inflammatory bowel disease symptoms develop or worsen, or if you've had a vaccine or plan to, serious allergic reactions may occur.
I just look and feel better.
I got real relief.
The woman's life after she was pulled from the water with no pulse. She's now listed in stable condition, but so far it's not clear how the car even ended up in the water.
Bucks. That's a lot of money. So they just brazenly walk out, and no one in the store wants a lawsuit. So they're telling people inside the stores not to do anything, not to go up and try to stop them.
Best-selling book reveals how the government's new rules could cut your retirement savings in half and how to stop it. Supplies are limited, so act now.
Quote, you know who else Officer Dunn protected? Tucker Carlson's son, or the House staffer. A national security and government investigation attorney, Mark Zaid, tweeting.
Did she announce that she's going to meet with them? Probably nobody knows why, but after we had these cyber attacks, what do you think is going to come out of this meeting?
For say security hackers. So right now, we have I think, an approach which does not impose sanctions on China for criminal behavior. It's
My Pillow mattress topper. I made it to have everything you ever want in a topper. My mattress topper helps give you the support you need, helps relieve your pressure points, and regulate.
Canadians are allowing Americans to come into, fully vaccinated Americans to come north into Canada starting on August 9th. So if you are a migrant at the southern border, we would.
But if you want to do this legally, if you want to be processed legally, we're going to stop that from the Canadian border and from the southern border. It does not make sense.
Donald Trump Jr. was on stage here last night speaking about a certain Republican who switched sides of the aisle for the new January 6th Select Committee. Here it is in case you missed it.
3059. That's 800-741-3059. Call now.
Passion. Good morning, nice to see you again. Our pleasure, not only to know about this story. Iran has been on the worst drought in 50 years. Some estimates say the Republic and their supreme leader. Add that to what's happening in Cuba, and people around the globe right now are crying out for liberty as corny as it sounds. That's happening. Be right back. President Ronald Reagan used humor to disarm foreign leaders. Tweet
Here's a unique digital asset that has unlimited upside potential.
Ladies, if you're fully vaccinated, you might be wearing masks again. The administration is considering that. For fully vaccinated people, thoughts?
Mixed messages.